How to Practice Speaking English Alone. The Smart Learner's Guide. Hello, my learner. Welcome back. Today we're going to explore something every English learner struggles with at some point. How do I practice speaking English if I have no one to talk to? Here's the good news. You don't need a speaking partner to become fluent. In fact, many fluent English speakers practiced alone before ever holding real conversations. Speaking alone trains your brain to think in English, improves pronunciation, builds vocabulary, and boosts your confidence, all without fear of being judged or interrupted. Let's dive into 10 effective and smart ways to practice speaking English by yourself, with real strategies you can use starting today. 1. Talk to yourself, out loud and often. What to do? Narrate your daily actions out loud as you go through your routine. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth now. Time to make breakfast. I have to answer 3 work emails today. Why it works. This practice helps your brain switch into English mode. It reduces your dependency on translation and increases your comfort with spontaneous speech. Speak in front of a mirror. Seeing yourself talk boosts confidence, helps improve facial expressions, and strengthens mouth movements for clearer pronunciation. 2. Think in English, don't translate. What to do. Throughout the day, consciously switch your internal monologue to English. For example, when observing, that sunset looks beautiful. When planning, after dinner I'll watch a short documentary. When feeling stressed, I need to take a deep breath and relax. Why it works. Thinking in English helps you respond faster during real conversations. It trains your brain to form ideas naturally in the language, removing the delay caused by constant mental translation. 3. Record yourself. Speaking what to do. Pick a topic, your weekend plans, a book, a movie, and record yourself speaking for 1 to 5 minutes. Then play it back and evaluate. Was I clear and easy to understand? Did I use too many filler words like or How was my grammar, pronunciation, and sentence flow? Why it works. Recording yourself makes you more aware of your strengths and areas for improvement. It's also a powerful way to track your growth over time. 4. Read aloud. Every day. What to do. Choose any reading material, books, news articles, blog posts, and read them aloud. Focus on proper rhythm and pace. Natural sentence stress. Smooth pausing at punctuation. Why it works. Reading aloud strengthens the connection between your eyes, mouth, and ears. It's a safe, structured way to develop fluency, pronunciation, and vocal confidence. After reading, mimic a native speaker's tone from a podcast or video. Try to match their pitch, emotion, and speed. It's great for improving your natural speaking flow. 5. Use role play and imaginary dialogues. What to do. Simulate real-life conversations in your mind and play both roles. Examples. Ordering food. Hi, I'd like a chicken wrap, please. Would you like fries with that? Job interview. Tell me about yourself. I'm passionate about healthcare and love helping people. Asking directions. Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop? Why it works. Role play builds the exact language you'll need in real-world situations. It prepares you mentally and emotionally, so you're not caught off guard. 6. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing technique. What to do. Pick a short audio or video clip of a native English speaker, like from a TED Talk or YouTube interview. Then, play a sentence. Repeat it immediately, imitating tone, speed, and emotion. Don't pause or slow down. Stay right behind the speaker, like an echo. Why it works. Shadowing builds your accent, listening comprehension, and rhythm. It helps your speech sound more natural and fluent, just like native speakers. 7. Set speaking challenges or timed prompts. What to do? Set a timer and challenge yourself to speak non-stop for 1 to 3 minutes on topics like your favorite childhood memory, what you would do if you won the lottery, how to cook a traditional dish from your country. Why it works. This improves your ability to speak under pressure, think fast, and keep talking, even if you make small mistakes. It's excellent practice for real-time conversations. 8. Create a spoken English journal, voice diary. What to do? At the end of each day, speak your thoughts aloud instead of writing them. Talk about what happened during your day, how you felt, something you learned. Example: today I had a stressful morning, but I felt better after a long walk. I also watched an English video about space travel. It was fascinating. Why it works. Speaking about real emotions and experiences builds expressive language. It also makes English part of your daily reflection and storytelling. 9. Use objects around you as speaking prompts. What to do? Look around and choose any object, your phone, a coffee cup, a photo frame, and describe it. What is it? What's it made of? What's it used for? Why is it important to you? Why it works. This sharpens your descriptive skills and builds vocabulary. Plus, it forces you to think creatively and form more complete sentences. 10. Set clear goals and track your progress. What to do? Make your speaking journey measurable by setting weekly goals, like record 3 2-minute speaking clips this week. Practice shadowing for 10 minutes every day. Describe one object out loud each morning. Keep a journal or spreadsheet to track your efforts. Why it works. Goals give you purpose. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated, and seeing improvement boosts confidence, one of the most powerful tools in language learning. Final thought. Speak daily, speak freely, speak fearlessly. Practicing English by yourself isn't just possible, it's powerful. You gain confidence, control, and clarity over your speech without needing to wait for anyone. You're not just learning English. You're building a voice that reflects your ideas, your story, and your future. Start small. Stay consistent. Speak boldly. And remember, every word you speak in English, no matter how simple, brings you one step closer to fluency.